Nature is beautiful, quiet and serene. Nature is the forest with its many shades of green. Nature is the birds welcoming in the dawn. Nature is a calf struggling to its feet as soon as it is born. Nature is a salmon swimming against the stream. Nature is volcanic gesture venting off stream. Nature is a beast kicking up a storm. Nature is the trees all bent and broken, looking so forlorn. Nature is lightning striking the ground. Nature is a forest fire consuming all around. Nature is a tornado with its screaming roar. Nature is a tidal wave washing everything ashore. Nature can be beauty and nature can be a beast. Nature brings a colorful beauty to one's heart. It flies in a heart like a colorful butterfly. Its strength the heart with huge to fly. A beautiful creature lives in the heart of the nature. Life is not enough to enjoy the whole nature. Each and every part of the universe comes under nature. The nature is part of existence of human life. Without the nature, there will be no future. Nature is the beautiful. One nature is for everyone's fun. Love it or hate it. It gives everything to everyone. Nature is God's gift to everyone. Nature make us. God gave us nature. We can't live without it. So save nature.